Hi, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color an amazing water playground.
Hello!
Are you excited? Let's dive right in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, we'll start drawing with our black marker. Let's begin with the roof of the house. Draw a nice, triangle-shaped roof at the top. Great job! Now, let's draw the house under the roof. It's a big rectangle shape. Perfect! Next, let's draw a fun slider coming down from one side of the house. To hold up our house, we need some strong pillars. Let's draw them now. How do we get up to the house? With a ladder. Let's draw a ladder to climb up. Fantastic!
Awesome!
Now, on the other side of the house, let's draw a pipe slider for even more fun.
Wow!
Our drawing is complete. But let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Look how nicely our playground items are working. It looks amazing.
Hello!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use lots of rainbow colors to make our water playground bright and cheerful. Let's start! Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color. Light brown color. Bottle green color. ocean blue color, maroon color, and more rainbow colors. Whoa! We used so many beautiful rainbow colors. Our water playground looks fantastic. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me today.
Hello.
Keep practicing and being creative. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.